A distinguishing feature of the Constitutional Affairs Committee in its work of looking at the Constitution in terms of special reports, but also looking at legislation, is that it works for the whole Assembly in producing a commentary on the legislation that comes before it, and that means both basic law and also regulations that derive both from Welsh Government here in Cardiff and from the UK Government. And of course there's also a link to European legislation, which is again part of our Constitution. It's a serious job that is done on behalf of the Assembly to ensure that what we pass is good law. And another feature, of course, is that it's not party balanced in the sense that it reflects the numbers of each party represented in the Assembly itself. It is one from each party. And therefore, to participate in that work was particularly interesting for me, given what I'd done here before. And also, we had a particular timetable because we dealt with the draft bill for Wales, which is produced by the UK government. And it was really good to have all members working together, taking detailed evidence from legal experts, and then coming up after serious deliberation with an agreed report, which I'm certain was influential in changing the mind of the Secretary of State and ensuring that the bill has gone back to be redrafted, hopefully quite radically. So job well done, especially thanks to all my committee colleagues as we work together.